What's up, guys? And today we're gonna do a 1v1 with this monkey. He looks like he's trying to act like a sweat, but no one knows that I can do the same.
Match starting.
Yeah, if you don't know who I am,
Round starting.
I normally film, UGG, but now I film multiple things, so you could friend me if you want.
Round starting.
You don't have to like or follow or do anything. Just sit back and enjoy the video.
Well, who won that? Oh, Ty.
It's a tie.
Round starting.
Okay, chat. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, chat. Nice. Yo, wait, can I friend you on VR?
Oh, no, I can't. I have parental controls.
Oh.
Round starting.
Sorry.
Yo, no, you're good. It wasn't your fault. Yo?
Did I hit that?
Yeah. Yo, this is gonna be close. Maybe.
Yeah.
Round starting.
Yo, I know your strat, bro. Four seconds on the clock. Okay, chat. We're gonna just go all
Round
out.
starting.
Oh, when it's fiend. GG's.
That was an insane shot. GG's.
You do not know my full power.
Round starting.
Come on.
Yo, it's the last game, chat. Can I do it?
Round starting.
Oh, my eyes glitching. Just why is it glitching now? What? Oh. Dang it.
GG's.
Your rematch?
Yo, yeah. This is pretty good. But let me end the video real quick, okay?